Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Femke and in today's video I am going to share with you a new live application which I usually just call my nail polish of the week videos. So first of all, of course you want to make sure that you have removed your previous manicure like always, and then I'm going in with a base coat, and all of the polishes that I am going to use today are by the German brand called Trended Up. I actually got these myself when I was in Germany in September. So yeah, let's just continue with the video. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so, and of course become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. So yeah, as I mentioned, I am going in with a nice base coat by Trended Up. I bought this at a DM drugstore when I was visiting my longtime best friend who actually, how do you say that, migrated to Germany. We've been friends since I was 11 years old, so that's like about 19 years at the moment. And yeah, I was there for a couple of days back in September, and I just went shopping at a ton of different local drugstores because they do have some really cool brands over in Germany, and they are a little less expensive than here in the Netherlands. It doesn't really it isn't really a big difference price-wise, but for some items it definitely is a nice, like, less amount of money that you have to pay. And of course, I'm Dutch. I like to make sure I don't spend too much. If I can get it a little cheaper, I will definitely try to do so. But yeah, I think it's always nice to save some money on items that you really love. It's always a nice thing. So yeah, this base coat actually cost me like €1.79 or something like that, and I pretty much like it. I would recommend to just apply 2 coats to prevent any staining or discoloration. But with the color I'm going to use today, I'm not really worried about that. This one is by Trended Up as well, and this one doesn't really have a name or something, but it is number 357, and it is one of my all-time favorite colors to wear as nail polish. This is one of those beautiful nude, dusty rose kind of colors, and if you have been hanging around here with me at my YouTube channel, you know that I love colors like these. And I actually have a couple of favorites by Catrice Cosmetics, which is also a German brand, but sold pretty much worldwide. That brand has some amazing dusty rose kind of colors that are definitely my go-tos, but this one is actually a little less expensive as well, because this one was only like €1.79 as well, if I remember correctly. It was so inexpensive, and it has a pretty nice coverage for just that first coat, as you can see right here. I would definitely apply a second layer, which is something I'm going to do a little later in this video as well, just to make it completely opaque. And as usual, I always recommend to just apply 2 thin coats instead of 1 thicker one, just to make sure you don't have to wait like an hour before your nail polish is completely dry and hardened out. And of course, one thing that I mentioned in my nail polish of the week videos as well is to always cap off your edges if you have longer natural nails like I do, and especially if you have a manual job or you just work with your hands a lot. It just makes sure that you have a nice little extra protection layer on those edges to prevent any tip wear or chipping or anything like that. Well yeah, I am pretty much obsessed with this color. It is just one of those nude tones that I'm just in love with it. I really love it. If there's only like one color that I would be able to wear for the rest of my life, it would definitely be a color like this. It is nice and creamy, it's wearable, you can just wear it all year round, you can do some cute nail art on it as well. So yeah, I'm just really excited about this color. It is definitely one of my favorites, and the formula of this one isn't bad at all, especially if you look at what it actually costs to get a polish like this. Like, it's below €2. There's a decent amount of polish in the bottle as well. And I also love the fact that the brush is a little bit wider. It picks up a lot of product, so make sure to get rid of a ton of product before you go onto your nail, because it's just full of polish. And of course, just make sure that you remove like one side of it completely on the neck of the bottle, so you don't have any flooding in the cuticle area or onto the skin next to the nail and stuff like that. You know the deal. Of course, if you do have some flooding of the polish in the cuticle area, make sure to remove that with a little brush and some nail polish remover, or just remove it with your fingernail. That is something that I tend to do a lot as well, especially because I have longer natural nails. It's easier and like more faster for me to just do it with my fingernail and just wipe it off on a little like kitchen towel or something like that. But if you want to be super precise, just take an angled brush and some nail polish remover and remove all of the excess polish. So yeah, this was the second layer of this beautiful trended up polish already. The only thing that I would love for the brand to actually change is just to give their products not only numbers but also names. I think that's a really nice like addition to every single color, because now it's just a number and yeah, it's just a little boring, you know? But yeah, let's continue with the top coat, because this one is from the Trend It Up collection as well. Once again, it was a very inexpensive, and this is the ultimate long-lasting top coat. I actually really like this one. I'm not really like a huge fan of the whole like shape of the bottle, especially the handle which the brush is on. It's a little small to actually hold it in your hand and to work with, so I would like to see like the shape of the bottle. It's fine, it's like nothing special or something. The only thing is like the handle of the brush is a little like hard to work with, so if they could make it a little longer, it would be easier to work with for me personally. But definitely let me know if you have any products, especially the base and top coat line from this Trend It Up, like I'd say brand, and if you have any difficulties with the handle being a little small. Maybe you have some tips or tricks to actually elongate it. Do let me know in the comments down below, because that would be really helpful, and I think that a lot of other guys and girls out there would be really helped by those as well. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this was the entire nail polish of the week video already. Of course, make sure that every single layer is completely dry in between before you go in with the next layer of polish. But yeah, as I mentioned, I'm just obsessed with this color. It is so gorgeous. Once again, it's number 357 if you want to get it yourself as well. And yeah, I'm just pretty excited to go to Germany again and to visit my best friend, and also visit DM drugstores, because they are amazing. Like, I wish I lived closer to the German border, but you know, it's like a 3 to 4 hour drive for me, so yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.